Want to change the mouse cursor color on your Lenovo laptop? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to do it on Windows 11. Open the Settings app. From the left panel, click Accessibility. Select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Under Mouse Pointer Style, you'll see 4 options. White, the default cursor. Black, a black cursor. Inverted, automatically changes color depending on the background. Custom lets you choose any color you want. To use a custom color, select the custom pointer, then choose one of the recommended colors, or click the plus, choose another color button to pick your own. The cursor color changes instantly. If you want the cursor to be easier to see, use the size slider on the same page to make it larger. That's how you can change the cursor color on a Lenovo laptop running Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.